Hey teachers, here's a quick tutorial on how to use voice typing with Google Docs. This is a great option if you're doing some sort of writing project and your students aren't as good at typing or they would prefer to use speech to text or something like that. So this is a tool that's automatically in the Google Docs toolbar. So you're just going to go to Tools and then you're going to go to Voice Typing. If you've never done this before, you might have to allow it some permissions such as letting it use your microphone. And just go ahead and click allow. There's nothing wrong with that. And then let me just show you how this works right here. So it just says click to speak. So I'm going to click. And now you can see as I'm speaking, it is typing what I'm saying. You can even go as far to say period and it will make a period mark. You can also say new line and it will do a new line for you. If you do a period, it will automatically start the next sentence with a capital letter. Period. This is a great tool for students and for you as well if you ever wanted to do any sort of voice typing so that goes a little faster. My one warning would be to make sure that you enunciate well, period. If you do not enunciate well, then it might confuse some of the words that you were saying, period. Your students might also have to go back and edit some of this, whether that's font, spacing, or if you don't enunciate well, you might have to go back through and edit some of the words, and you can see that that's happening right now as I'm using the voice typing feature here. But I think that this is a great tool for students, and I hope that this is useful to you. To stop typing, you just do the same thing, so I'm just going to click, and there it's done, and you can see now I'm talking and it's no longer typing, and it's underlined some things like this that I might have to fix. So you could go back and edit that at any point in time if you need to. But this is a fun way to make typing faster for students and maybe more accessible to those who are not quite as good at typing. I know Mrs. Gallatin works with them on this frequently, but this is just another feature that could be useful to them. I hope this helps you guys.